Good afternoon, traders. This is Eli, Senior Market Strategist with R.J.O. Futures in Chicago, January 28th today, commenting on the metals market. In about an hour, we have the FOMC meeting coming up, so the market anticipating that. All the metals, with the exception of copper and palladium, are weak across the board. Very understandable, strong dollar here. And so we're going to see what kind of direction we take here. The main thing the market will be focusing on is the language, and whether I think one of the languages patient was mentioned, would that be taken out, or any kind of indication for a quicker rate hike sometime mid 2015 or later. So that's really basically what the market is looking at. Is it acceptable that some type of position squaring ahead of the Fed meeting? Policymakers do move the market, so we'll see what happens. But I just want to spend a little more time talking about palladium today. I want to kind of focus on that. It's been very strong, up $15 here right now to $7.95. It's interesting with the weak crude oil, as crude making contract lows here, palladium prices been going higher. And palladium is used for a lot of things. And as you all know, one of the things it's used for is for catalytic converter. And so basically, the catalytic converter is a vehicle emission control device. So that would be to convert toxic pollutions. So with weak crude oil, you're going to see a lot of people on the road. So in my opinion, so there's going to be the demand for a cleaner air. I would not be surprised if we see a strength in the palladium market. So that's the market to watch very closely. And so silver and gold are weak across the board. I think gold is trading $12.85 right now. Silver unchanged, about $18.08. We'll see what happens. We'll see what kind of direction this market takes after the Fed meeting. So the other geopolitical type of play might be the Russia situation with the Ukraine. So we don't know if that's going to flare up and add a little bit of support for the gold and silver, and that's also remained to be seen. So for now, it's a little bit of a quiet market, just a wait ahead of the FOMC meeting. So we'll talk to you next week and see how that goes. Futures and options on futures may involve substantial risk and may not be suitable for all investors.